Hi guys, do you hear me? Hello, do you hear me? Anyone,
Yes,
can you please
yes.
respond? Yeah, okay. Thank you, Pranash. So let us start.
Yes, sir, we can hear you loud and proper.
Yeah, fine. Yes, sorry for the delay. Yes, we previous dispatch taking some Linux demo. They're asking some doubts. That's the reason late a little bit. Tomorrow sharp will start at 10:30, no doubt. Yes. Now let us start working with Hadoop. So first, I hope everyone you installed Linux base on PDPS rights. Everything is ready here. Okay. So first of all, just start your Linux base. So we have a workstation here. Okay. Start this workstation. Launching workstation. Okay. Power on this virtual machine. Yes, it will take just 1 minute time only. Within 1 minute, you'll start Linux base. Yes, by the time of starting Linux base, yes, we'll start Hadoop introduction. Is that Hadoop installation here? Hadoop installation. Yes, there are three modes of Hadoop install. There are three modes. Yes, three modes of Hadoop. Yes, Hadoop setup. Three modes of Hadoop setup. Okay, three modes of Hadoop here. First one is local mode. Local mode. Second one here. Yes, 1 second. Yeah, demo. Not demo. Now HTTP1 user. I hope everyone created HTTP1 user. Just create HTTP1 user. Okay. So first demo user. Yes, how to create user? I think already cleared, very clearly explained here. Just to follow the steps here. First, you create that HTTP1 user. Log into HTTP1. So create HTTP1. First Hadoop 1 we are going to discuss. Next Hadoop 2. This week completely Hadoop 1. So once you work with the Hadoop 1, then you can understand Hadoop 2 very easily here. So once Hadoop 1 worked here, then you'll understand what's the disadvantage with Hadoop 1. Okay. So disadvantage of 1.x version. Okay. You can understand. Suppose directly if I'm moving to second version of Hadoop may not be understanding. So for that purpose, first Hadoop 1. So first 1.x, but this week completely 1.x version. Okay. Finishing next week Monday. From Monday, next Monday, we'll be moving to second version of Hadoop here. You can start second version of Hadoop. Without working on Hadoop 1 here, may not be understanding here. Okay, Hadoop 1. If you have the Hadoop 1 experience, you can understand what's the disadvantage. What's the disadvantage of Hadoop 1 that you can understand. So for that purpose, so first Hadoop 1. So for this purpose, HTTP1 user log into HTTP1 here. Of log into HTTP1 here. Okay. See, open a terminal. Is a terminal, right? Is a terminal opens. Now, who am I? First command is who am I? Yes, it's Linux command. Who am I? Linux command. It's the HTTP1, right? HTTP1 user ls list of files. Okay. See, this is HTTP1. Okay. Yes, in this user Hadoop setup. See, open this GA. Here is GA, right? This is okay. Yes, before going to setup here, let us see different modes of Hadoop. What are the different modes of Hadoop here? There are different modes of Hadoop here. Okay, there are three modes of Hadoop here. Three modes of Hadoop. Three modes of Hadoop. Three modes of Hadoop here. First one is here, local mode. First one is here. This is now already introduction completed. Just demo classes finished here. This is first Hadoop setup here. We are going for the Hadoop setup. Okay, not first class here. Okay, already last week completed. Last week demo sessions completed. Introduction classes completed. Introduction classes completed. Okay, introduction completed. Now starting Hadoop setup. After finishing Hadoop setup, I'll explain what is big data, what is Hadoop, and all that concepts. Okay. Yes, try for next 3 days, no problem. It's not an issue. If you able to understand, then you can continue. Otherwise, we'll decide whether to continue in this batch or next batch. We'll decide next. Okay, right? Yeah. Here there are three modes of Hadoop setup here. Three modes. Okay. So first one, local mode. Yes, three modes of Hadoop. So first one, local mode. Okay, local mode. Yes, next the second one here. Yes, cluster mode. Yes, cluster mode or distributed mode. Local mode or distributed mode here. Distributed mode or cluster mode. Anyone you can see here. Cluster mode, right? Yes, it says single node cluster mode or distributed. Anyone here. Cluster mode or distributed mode or yes, cluster mode, distributed mode. Anyone. Here, this is single node cluster. This is single node cluster. Single node cluster. This is single node. Single node cluster. This is single node cluster means our laptop is a single node cluster. Okay, right? Yes. Next. Third one is multi-node cluster or fully distributed mode. So fully distributed mode or multi-node cluster. We say multi-node cluster. Yes, multi-node cluster. Multi-node cluster. Okay, there are three modes of Hadoop here: local mode, cluster mode, fully distributed mode here. Three types of modes. Okay, right? Yes. So what is local mode? What is cluster mode? What is fully distributed mode? This topic may not be understanding here. After finishing Hadoop setup, I'll explain about this one here. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about second one here. Okay. Cluster mode, single node cluster. Yes, our topic today topic is single node cluster setup here. Single node cluster setup. Single node cluster setup. Okay. These modes later we'll discuss. What is local mode, what is single node cluster, what is multi-node. 2 and 3 comes in the cluster only, Hadoop cluster. But local mode is local file system. Local mode working with our local file system. This is local file system. Okay. Local file system. No, yes, Hadoop file system is it's local file system. Just local file system. Yes, in case of cluster mode, single node cluster here using HDFS. Here HDFS. Okay, next fully distributed mode here also HDFS. Both cases using HDFS. Both cases HDFS. Now local file system is Linux file system. This is Linux file system. Okay, Linux file system. That working difference we'll discuss next time. I'll explain the differences. Later we'll discuss the differences here. Now today topic is this. Okay. Yes, the differences later we'll discuss. Today topic is single node cluster setup here. HDFS. Hadoop distributed file system. Single node cluster setup. This topic we will discuss. Single node cluster setup. This is the topic today. Right, okay. For this, what is prerequisite? Already we discussed prerequisite. So what is prerequisite for this? Prerequisite. Yes, prerequisite. Yes, prerequisite. So first, updating ways, right? That 7 steps already we discussed. Update ways here. Update ways. So for this, Yes, updating ways. Next, sh installation completed already here. Okay, sh installation here. Next, Java jdk 1.8 get done. Yes, next Eclipse also done here. Okay, right. Next, yes, MySQL. They are the prerequisites. Already explained prerequisites. Already over. Okay, already over here. Okay, right. Now these already, yes, updating ways over. SH installation completed, JDK 1.8 completed, Eclipse completed, MySQL completed. Now system is ready. Your system is ready, right? Okay. Yes, after this. So next step is create. Yes, create user HTTP1. Yes, now you have to create one HTTP1 user. Yes, in demo user. In demo, all these prerequisites completed. Demo user, all prerequisites completed here. Demo is the admin, right? As admin, all these completed. Create HTTP1. Create HTTP1 user. Create user HTTP1 as admin. As admin. As admin. How to create as admin already we discussed. Okay, HTTP1 user, right? Now currently already logged into HTTP1. We are in HTTP1. We are my. Yes, I'm HTTP1. Present working directly. Yes, HTTP1, right? I'm at this location. Okay, now this is HTTP1 user. Now HTTP1, this is we are using for the Hadoop 1.x version. See this. HTTP1 for the Hadoop first version, HTTP2 for Hadoop second version, Spark user for the Spark framework. So these things here. Linux practice is demo user. Demo user, right? This is fine. Well and good. Okay, all prerequisites completed. These prerequisites complete. They are very simple steps here. Completed this is. Now let us start. Yes. Create user HTTP1 as admin. Done. Now currently HTTP1. I am in HTTP1. Okay, after creating this user here, what is next step here? Next step. See, all these steps I have prepared documents. Document is there here. Yes, Hadoop. See, Hadoop 1.x sudo mode installation means nothing but single node cluster setup. Sudo mode is nothing but single node cluster. Okay, right? Single node cluster here. Yes, this open. These are folder I'll be sharing. This folder and this file. Hadoop core modules document on this folder. Today I'll share after finishing class. Today I'll share this one here. Okay, Hadoop 1.x version sudo mode installation. See, open this. Here's a Hadoop 1.x software. Next installation steps. Installation steps. Open this document here. See that installation steps. Open the document. Open this document. Yes, here you can see all the steps. Very clearly prepared all the steps. Okay. See different modes of Hadoop here. Local mode, sudo distributor, single node cluster, fully distributed multi-node cluster. Okay, these different modes of Hadoop. This topic we'll discuss tomorrow. So once Hadoop installed, you can understand this. Okay, this topic later we'll discuss. Now this is. Okay. Hadoop pseudo distributed mode means single node cluster setup. Single node cluster. It's a single node cluster setup here. It's a single node cluster. Okay. Prerequisites. Update Linux based sudo apt update is already done here. Install ss sudo apt install ss done here. Next install Java sudo apt install OpenJDK 8 JDK install done here. Yes. Install Eclipse done here. So install MySQL. These steps are done here, right? Yes. Above steps are common for any number of users. Any user common. Demo user login as demo user, demo user as admin. All the performance same, common, no change. Okay, not repeat, not required repeat here. Only once. Okay, only once activity here. Only one time activity. This only one time activity. Only one time activity. Only one time activity. Only one time activity here. Not required every user here. Okay, only one time. Above steps are common for any user. So only one time activity. Only one time activity for any number of users. Any number of users. Okay, only one time activity. Right, okay. Yes. Now here create step one, create new user. Yes, click on cache symbol, right side, top corner, user accounts, user account, this is user accounts. Okay, yes, user accounts, here is user accounts, unlock. These steps is there in document, unlock. Here after unlocking here, password for authentication, create user, type is administrator, full name is maybe MN Rao or HTTP1. Now it's HTTP1, user ID is HTTP1 here. Okay, yes, click add to create user. Yes, sudo password for that user here. Yes, done. User creation done, right? Yes, login as HTTP1. Your user is HTTP1. Now login as new user HTTP1. Okay, right? Yes, done. Yes, 1 second. Yes, in my system already setups are there. Let me clean up all the setups. Yes, it's a work folder. In work folder, yes, everything setup is there. Just deleted, complete setup deleted. Next, one more thing is there. You yes, show it in the files .sh. Yeah, this also cleared. Next, gedit dot bash rc file. Open here. Yep, this environment also clearing. This is also done. Yes, cleanup is done. Yes, cleanup is done. Everything. Okay. So first, step by step. 1 second. Let me check it's recording or not. Yes, recording. Okay, fine. Yes. So what is first step here? First step, go to home folder. This home is nothing but this home. Okay, both are same here. PWD, HTTP1. This is your home directory, HTTP1 or this home, both are same here. This on this, both are same. So what is first step here? First step, create a folder by the name work folder. Work for this for the Hadoop purpose. See, anywhere working for something here, working for Hadoop, then use work folder. Suppose Java, yes, your environment. Just we are creating our environment. Okay. Suppose Hadoop install directly here may be confusion. Outside many files, right? Many files and folders may be confusion with this. Work folder. Instead of work folder, complete your Hadoop work. Suppose if working as a Python developer, they also create one work folder used for Python development, right? Suppose other developer, maybe Java developer, they create work folder. Okay, then you place all your documents and work related documents, right? Work related software, everything inside a work folder. That is best practice. Okay, in real time job also create one work folder, in that work for everything here. Now in a Hadoop, just first creating work folder. First step, create work folder. Okay, after creating work folder, so what is next step here? Now place your Hadoop software. This is software I'll be sharing you. Hadoop 1.x version. Okay, so initially 1.x version, next week we'll move to 2.x version. Now 1.x version here. So this is 1.x version. Take this copy of this. Take this software, Hadoop software. Yes, go to work folder here. Work folder, place here. Okay, right? Yes, now it's copying. Yes, copy done. Okay, right click. Yes, extract here. Extract here, right? Extracting. Yes, done. Extraction completed. After extracting, what is next step here? Next step is you have to update .bash rc file. Okay. Yes, it's there in document, very clearly prepared. Don't worry. Yes, gedit yes dot bash update .bash rc file with Hadoop setup here. Hadoop environment variables or gedit dot bash rc. Open the .bash rc. So what is first step in these variables? So that environment variables export export first variable Java, location of Java underscore home, right? What's the location of Java? Search for location of Java. Okay, just you search for location of Java. Java home. What is location of Java? Get the topic already we discussed in last week's sessions. Location of Java. cd slash usr slash lib slash jvm. This is location. Java location. See, cd slash that will take to root directory. Present working directory root ls. Yes, in this usr. Usr directory. cd usr. What is usr? It gets all user softwares. usr is a directory for user softwares. Default location is usr. All these softwares installing here, like a Windows program files. In Windows default location is program files. Every software installing program files, right? Like program files, here is a user folder. Present working directory user directory. ls. Here the lib directory. cd lib. Go to lib. Okay. Lib directory. Change to lib. Okay. Right. Present working directory lib. ls. Yes. Now this is all softwares. All softwares in the JVM. JVM. cd JVM. Yes. Go to here. cd JVM. Go to JVM. Present working directory JVM. Here at JVM, right? Let's see this. Java 8. Yes, in your system already Java 8 installed here. Location is Java 8. Okay. cd Java 8. cd Java 8. Okay. Open JDK. cd Java 8. This right. Okay. Just to type that cd Java 8. cd Java 8. Change of directory. Present working directory, right? Yes, this is. So this is Java installation. This is Java path. Java path, right? Take this. So Java path. Take this path and go to parser just to place here. Right? 1 second. ls say bin. It's a bin directory. This contains all Java commands. To run Java commands, you have to set the path to Java bin. For that purpose, Java home. Yeah, this topic tomorrow I'll explain. What's the purpose of setting paths and all the reasons tomorrow we'll discuss. Today, just we are learning setup. Simply set up today here. Tomorrow, reasons I'll explain this. Tomorrow, each and every step we'll see reasons here. Okay, right? So the Java home done. Yes, software export. Next, Hadoop underscore home. Hadoop underscore home. Next, the Hadoop home path. Hadoop home path. So what is Hadoop home path? Say this. Home folder, work folder. In this Hadoop folder place, right, is a Hadoop home. Hadoop home, right? Hadoop folder, right? Yes, right click any of this file. Suppose bin. Right click on the properties. Properties series. This folder is Hadoop home folder, right? Home HCP1 work folder in this Hadoop 1.1.2 placed here. So this is Hadoop home folder. Take this path here, copy this path. After this is Hadoop home folder. After this folder, right? Hadoop home folder. Take this, adjust you can paste here, right? Done, complete it. Yes, after that, the export path equal to, now it's a Linux path, OS path. So this is Java location, this Hadoop location, next Linux path, OS path. Path equal to $path. Okay. See what is purpose of Java home, what is the purpose of Hadoop home, what is the purpose of path, tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay, $path colon, yes, dollar Java underscore home. Java underscore home slash bin colon, next dollar Hadoop underscore home. Hadoop underscore home slash bin. That's it, over. So this is bash.c file. Java underscore home, Hadoop underscore home, path equal $path colon Java underscore home, yes, Hadoop underscore home. Done. Okay. Yes, guys, we don't worry. Okay, I'm here to explain everything I'll clear slowly here. Okay, don't worry here. Okay. Yes, sir. Don't feel, okay, Don't feel it's a tough. I'll make you simple everything here. Everything I'll make you very easy here. Okay, don't feel tough. Okay, yes, going on it becomes very easy here. Going forward, it becomes very easy. Then updating .bash file is over. Next after that, Hadoop environment. Next Hadoop environment here. Yes, conf folder. In conf folder, Hadoop env.sh file here. Open this Hadoop env.sh file here. Yes, this export Java home, right? Export Java home. Java home path, right? Yes, where is home? Yes, 1 second. Let me close all sessions. Get the .bash file. See, previous class we discussed once .bash file is updated, close that session, open new session. I'm open new session, right? New session opened. Now here Java home. Yes, I should place Java home. How I can get Java home variable here? Echo $Java home. Yeah, this topic previously we discussed, right? Java home bash file, the Java home variable is right. So getting value, we can get this value. Copy this and place here. Copy and place here. Copy and place. Done. Okay. Save and close. Okay, right? After save and close, so how do BNB file is over? Next, yes, core site.xml, HDFS site.xml mapper. These three files you have to configure. Core site, HDFS mapper. Core site. Open. Zreach. Yes, nothing empty. Empty conf, nothing. How to prepare this configuration? I will tell you. Core site.xml. Next, HDFS site.xml. Yes, it's empty, right? Nothing. Configuration by conf is empty file. Nothing is it's a blank, right? Nothing is there here. Okay, these three files, nothing, empty. Okay, now what are the properties you have to place? What are the properties? For this, I have prepared properties file here. See, Hadoop configuration properties. Yes, this is a folder I'm sharing with you. Hadoop 1.x sudo mode installation. So the document, okay. Yes, it is configuration properties. Conf sudo. Okay, this see core site.xml. Open with Greach. Yes, prepared. This is yes, here is prepared. That's the properties. Name and value. Next property name and value. Right, core site.xml. Next HDFS site.xml. Open that. Yes, see this. That's the properties prepared. Okay. Next mapped site.xml. This right. These three files prepared enough here. Yes, take this properties file. Yes, core site.xml. HDFS site.xml mapped. How to prepare that properties? I'll explain. Okay, within 10 days you can reach the stage preparing your own properties. Within 10 days I'll make you guys to prepare this on your own. Every property can prepare on your own. So how to prepare? Yes, like me. Yes, you also. Okay, you also can prepare the properties. Okay, right? Yes. So copy. Take this one here and go to work folder here. Yes, conf folder, right? Hadoop home conf folder, place here, right? Core site.xml here. Yes, HDFS site mapped. Just paste here, right? Place here. Now replace core site.xml. Just replace. Second one, HDFS site.xml replace. Next mapped site.xml replace. Done. Okay, after this, what is next step here? Replacing. Now open core site.xml. Open Greach. Right? Replace, right? FS default name here localhost 9000. Next, Hadoop temporary directory here home work rate. See, what is our user like this? Home. Let's see after home. What is it? HTTP1, right? Home HTTP1. Home HTTP1. Okay. Now home HTTP1. Right? You have to place. Where is your work folder? Instead of HTTP1, right? See ls, see work folder here, right? See ls-l work folder. Today just now created, right? Work folder. Yes, Jan 8 11 o'clock create, right? Work folder. So present working directory. CD work folder. You can go to work folder, right? This is ls. Okay, work folder. In work folder, Hadoop 1.1.2 folder. Your home folder is, right? Work folder. So home work, right? Between this HTTP one, right? Yes. Home and work. Yes, HTTP one, right? Current user changes this you have to change, right? Suppose second version of Hadoop HTTP2, that's it. Now yes, suppose your name. Okay, suppose your name, for example, your name, then use this one here. User current user ID, your name, then use like this. Okay, suppose with your name that user created here, use like this. Okay, home, something like this. Okay, that is your username, right? But don't go for your names. That's for your personal work purpose here. HTTP1, create HTTP1. Okay, don't use your own user here. Use always HTTP1. Because my every document prepared with HTTP1 user. Okay, and HTTP users. Just to follow this convention, then easy. Yes, once you become expert, you can use next 10 user, no problem. Now save it. Control yes, save it. Save and close. Next, HDFS site.xml, open this. Zedit. Okay. Replication of fact is one, leave it. Now here, this one has to change. HTTP1 and this one has to change. Just we are changing only that HTTP1, HTTP1. All the files we are changing only HTTP1. That's it. Nothing to change here. Open. Git. Okay. HTTP1. Right. Save and close. Okay. So don't double click here. If you double click, it will try to open browser. If you double click, it will try to open browser. Not browser. You have to open Notepad. Open with Git. Here you have to open like this. Okay, Git. In Notepad you have to open this always. Okay, right? See here. So first the core site.xml. Yes, 1 second. One second. Browser opening. That's the reason. Work folder. So here con folder here. Core site.xml. Open with gedit. Yeah, that browser opening. That's the reason system has become slow here. It's opening browser. See, this is HTTP1 change, right? HTTP1 changed. Okay. Yes. Next. HDFS site.xml here. HDFS site.xml. Open with gedit. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, that browser opening because of the system slow, it has become slow here. Yes, open with. Yes, I'll close the browser. Once browser closed. Yes, once browser open, system again pick up gedit. Yes, open, right? HTTP1 change. This also changed. Okay. Yes, after map site.xml. Open with gedit. Open that. Done. So HTTP1, right? Yes, where this is only these are the changes. Okay, done, completed. Okay, 1 second. So maps are running here. Look at maps. Okay, yes, done. 1 second. See in document, it's very clearly. First, go to home folder. Yes, home HTTP1. Create a new folder by name work. Create it. After that, copy Hadoop 1.x of the tar file into work folder. Extract it. update dot bash rc pwd http1 get this location dot bash right. How can you see that ls hyphen e right cd exit yes present working directory http1 here ls hyphen a you can see the dot bash rc file ls hyphen dot bash rc file. Okay, after this see this here ls hyphen a that you can see dot bash rc file. Hyphen means hidden files including all files hidden files. Read it dot bash. Open this. See export java home equal user lib jvm java 8 to open jdbc. This is the location. Yes, in your system you have to search for this location. In your system just to search for this location. Okay, right? Where java installed. User mostly user lib no change in your system on same location here. This is next export path equal dollar path java home bin hadoop home bin. Done completed. Okay, after finishing this, what is next step here? Next step is environment, right? Environmental. Yes, see that environmental. Environmental. Update Hadoop env datasets located at this location, right? At this location. Okay, see Hadoop 1.1.2 conf folder in that conf folder Hadoop env datasets. Very clearly prepared in document. Okay, right? Yes, with following export java underscore home location home http1 work folder Hadoop 1.1.2 here conf folder under conf folder Hadoop env. See this home work folder Hadoop 1.1.2 folder. Okay, yes, in that yes conf folder here it's a Hadoop env dataset, right? Hadoop env dataset. Open that file here, then update java underscore home equal this is right java underscore home. So open that, open this. Yes, you can update right this. That's it here. Okay, after this what is next step here? Yes, define Hadoop configuration properties in the files located at Hadoop at the home http1 work folder Hadoop 1.1. Here conf folder instead of conf folder code site.xml HDFS map these three files. Okay, so for this purpose here, see copy these files, already prepared files, copy code site HDFS mapped site from this folder. This is a folder provided in this folder, right? Hadoop installation steps folder, right? In that folder conf sudo folder is available. From that take this, copy all the files, copy all these files. Okay, copy all these files from this and place into that folder here. One second, and place copy these files from this location and place yes, I'll be sharing this one. Place into Hadoop conf folder, place into folder, place in this folder that Hadoop conf folder, right? Yes, Hadoop conf folder. See hog folder Hadoop 1.1.2 conf folder in this place already pasted core sites HDFS mapped. These three files already pasted. So these three files already pasted. Yes, after that now update. Go to that conf folder. Yes, files core site HDFS mapped. Master and slave is not necessary here. This is okay. Here this is not necessary. These two things. So as per the yes above configuration here, see this update yes files. Yes, update above files with following here core site.xml here it's like this http1 place, right? HDFS site.xml here also same http1. Yes, http1, right? This is next map to site.xml. Yes, http1. That's it here. Next, so after this step completed, so next step is generate passwordless sh here, sh localhost. Okay, the control L to clear the screen here. SSH localhost. Yes, what's the purpose of sh? I'll explain. Main purpose of sh is to communicate between nodes, different nodes of Hadoop. Say yes here. Okay, yes, now password http1 password. Okay, done. SH key generated. What's the purpose of key? I will explain. Just wait. Okay, I'll explain. Now SS key generate authentication key. This is yes authentication key. This is cluster authentication key. Yes, nodes are communicating each other. So without passwords, it has to communicate for the reason why authentication key required. Yes, every today just you follow setup. Tomorrow I'll explain reasons here. Why path required, why Java home, Hadoop home. Just you follow all these steps today. Okay. Then after finishing now format Hadoop here. So next step is Hadoop format. Hadoop. So Hadoop, yes, name node, Hadoop, name node, hyphen format. So command is like this. Hadoop name node hyphen format. Screen clear. Now Hadoop name node format. So format is nothing but creating Hadoop structure hierarchy. The structure will create folder structure will create here. Hadoop name node format. Enter key. Yes, it's now formatting here. Then creating Hadoop folder structure. Yes, what it will do? I'll explain tomorrow. Tomorrow topic, that is see storage directory successfully formatted. Storage directory successfully created. Successfully created, right? Okay, storage directory successfully created. What was happened here? See home work folder. See this Hadoop data folder created. Previously don't have this. Now it's created. Okay, this is storage directory. Data storage directory created. Storage directory created, right? Storage. Yes, has been successfully formatted. Done, completed. Okay, now start Hadoop. Yes, start hyphen alt dot sh. Starting Hadoop. Yes, it's very simple setup here. It's not an issue. Okay, try 1 or 2 times, then it becomes very easy for you. Okay, now JPS, Java process. Take that JPS. Yes, done successfully completed 5 demands. Yes, once we get the 5 demands successfully completed. Okay, now stop hyphen alt dot sh. Stopping Hadoop. Stopping Hadoop. Yes, stopped. Yes, now JPS check it here. Yes, no output. JPS. No Java process, nothing is running, right? JPS output. Controls clear the screen. JPS nothing, right? Nothing. Exit closing session. Close. Okay. Let me repeat all these steps here. See, I'm work folder. I'm deleting this work folder deleted. Next, one more thing will generate here. View. Creating files. .sh folder generated. Then sh local first. That is removed here. Yes, next. Delete .bashrc. Yes, complete setup I'm clearing here. Complete setup. Remove this is. Yes, if you want to clean up like this, you can clean up like this. This is remove work folder, remove .sh. Okay, next close that. Yes, open the .bashrc file and remove that. That's it. Complete it. Okay. So open new session. Yes, now how to work this? Which document you asking? Yeah, this document. Yeah, I will share now immediately. After finishing class, I will share it immediately. Okay. Yes, immediately. Immediately I'll share now. After finishing this, I'll share now. Okay. I'll share now. Don't worry. So first, one second. Yes. So go to your home folder. Yes. Right click new folder. So first create work folder. Work folder. So first step create work folder. After creating work folder, so this is software I'll be sharing you. In this folder contains everything here. This folder, yeah, take this Hadoop software, copy this. Okay, so yes, go to home folder, work folder, just you paste here, right? Paste this. See, 1 second, I'm following steps document steps here. See this. As is, just you also try it. So what is first step? Login as new user HTTP1. Here this create stuff user completed. Login as HTTP1. Login done already. Okay. So what is next step here? Go to home folder. So home, this is home. Open the home folder. Okay, right? Home folder. What is next step here? Create a folder by name work. Yes, create it. Create it. Yes, after this, next copy Hadoop tarball into work folder. Now I'm copying here. Yes. So take this is the software. Take this of tarball. Is a tar file, nothing but zip file. So this one place in your work folder. So done. Copy it. Yes, after that, what is next step here? And extract it. Copy and extract it. Extract, right click, extract here. Okay. Yes, extract it. Done. Yes, extracted. After extracting, what is next step here? Update dot bash as following here. Presently working directory HTTP1 ls-adn files. Presently working directory. See this. We are in HTTP1 ls-a. That in dot bash as file. Okay. Now after this, now gread dot bash. See this. Gread dot bash. See. Gread dot bash. Open the dot bash file here. Okay, so opening 1 second. It's open, right? Dot bash rc. Yes, after that, next what? Export Java home, Hadoop home, and path, right? These things. Okay, copy. I'm copying all this and paste. Okay, so Java home, it's okay. Hadoop home, okay, path, okay. Now this value you have to check. This value should make sure that. Okay, this value. So how to check that value here? Yes, cd slash user slash, yes, next lib slash jvm ls, yes, now cd java 8 open jd, right? This is, so this is right. Take this path and paste. Of course, this working in your system also. In your system also same folder generates here, java 8 same generates here. Next, yes, this is next is what here, Hadoop home folder, right? Hadoop home, that path. See, this is Hadoop home, right? Yes, open that. Any of the file, right click and you can get the path here. Right click properties. See, when you click on the properties of this one, just properties means location, that tells the location. Nothing but your Hadoop location. Hadoop location, take this location, copy that location, okay, and place here, right? So Hadoop home path, this is. Paste, control V paste, right? Yes, after that, next step is Java home, Hadoop home completed. Path export, path equal dollar paths. Yes, dollar Java home bin, Hadoop home bin, right? Yes, here don't allow spaces. That space is not valid here. If allowing space, path fails. Don't allow spaces. Colon is a path separator. Don't allow space. Space is not allowed. Okay, save, control yes, save, control yes, save and close. Then complete it. Complete, right? Yes, after this, what is next step? Update Hadoop env file located yet Hadoop env.sh. At this path home HTTP1 work folder Hadoop 1.1.2 conf folder. This is a path. This is a path. Okay, home, yes, work folder, Hadoop folder, conf folder. Here it's a Hadoop env.sh. Open this. Open this. See, I'm doing as per document. Just like a spoon printing, it's prepared here, very clearly prepared. Export Java home. Okay, see that. Export Java home, that Java home path, right? Java home path. See. So this is your Java home path, right? It's a Java home path. You can take this copy, right click, copy. Okay, next place here. You can place here, right? Control V paste it. Control V paste it. After that, Control S save and close. After this, so what is next? Define Hadoop configuration properties located at this location. Port site, yes, HDFS mapped. For this purpose, copy these files. Yes, already prepared file, right? Code site, HDFS site, mapped. Already prepared files. Okay, here it's available. Con sudo folder, here it's available here. Con sudo from my software, it's available here. Location, right? 1 second. One second. Yes, go to that location here. So this is home. Yes, take from this. The location. Yes, take from this. Yes, port site, HFS, and map it. Copy all these files and place in this location. Home folder, work folder. Yes, conf folder. Place in the conf folder. Paste. Replace. Next, HDFS site.xml. Replace. Next, map site.xml. Replace. These three files are replaced. Okay, after this, what is next step? Okay, so next step. Yes, next step here. So code site HDFS mapped completed. Now updating these properties. Already properties prepared. That path you have to change HTTP1, that path. So first the code site.xml, code site.xml. So you can place HTTP1, HTTP1. Okay, Control S, save and close. Next, yes, HDFS site.xml here. Open this is, and here HTTP1, HTTP1. Next here also HTTP1, HTTP1, right? This is done. Save and close. Save and close. Next, go to mapped site.xml. Here it's a yes, HTTP1. Here it's a HTTP1, HTTP1, right? Done. Yes, save and close. Okay, right? Yes, after this, what is next step here? See this. All this completed. All these three files completed. Okay. Next, generate password SSH localhost. Yes, sir. 1 second. Exit this, close the sessions here. Open that. Let's here. Next. Yes, 1 second. Exit. Once the bash.c file updated, we should close the session. After updating .bash.c file, close that session. Okay, right? Open new session. 1 second. Yes, updating .bash.c file. Yes, after just updating .bash.c file, close all Linux terminals. Just to close all the terminals. Because big reason was 1 second. I'm getting some. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, sure. 1 week. 2180 40 sessions. How long was that? The total of 42 sessions. 41 time. Yes, updating .bash with Linux. Yes, after updating .bash, close all Linux terminals. Okay, because Linux when Linux terminal open, that bash update. Yes, exporting, right? It's OS world terminals, close world terminals. Okay, after that, see this. Yes, now the next step is this one, right? SH localhost. SH localhost. Say yes. Authentication yes. Password is SDP1. Okay, then after that, next this is SH. So this key SH. See, as per document only I'm doing here. Nothing extra. As per document I'm doing here. Okay, try 2 to 3 times. Yes, you'll become expert in setup. Remove what folder, try next here. Right, okay. Next, after the exit from the terminal here. Terminal is not an exit. Exit, right? Yes, exit it from the terminal here. Now here, format name node. See, Hadoop name node format. Hadoop name node format, right? Right click and paste here. It is. Then complete it. After start Hadoop, start all dataset. Start all dataset. Right click on this page. Start all dataset. Start analysis. Right. Next JPS. That's it. That's the 5 demands. 5 demands. JPS, data node, second name node, task tracker, job tracker, name node. Yes, we'll discuss what's a what is name node, what is job tracker, what is task tracker, second name data node. All these topics we'll discuss. Yes, we'll discuss very clearly. Next, to start Hadoop, stop all datasets. Right click, stop all datasets. Okay, now stopping Hadoop. Yes, these steps you have to do that. Yes, these work for you. Okay, these steps you have to do this. Yes, these steps next tomorrow. These steps working with the HDFS command. These things, these steps. Okay, do all these steps here. Tomorrow, troubleshooting. Suppose any step missing. Suppose some path setting missing. What happens? Troubleshooting that issues. Okay, step by step I'll explain. What is the purpose of Java home? What is purpose of Hadoop home? What's the purpose of path? And all the concepts we'll discuss. That's all. So the other steps in this. Try this. After this. So once displaying 5 demands successfully installed here. This finally we should get output. Start all data sets. Output should be like this. So once you're getting like this, Hadoop successfully completed. That's all. Okay. Yes, this is the folder I'm sharing you. The folder. Okay. 1 second. Yes, make it tar bar. Yes, compress. Yes, create. This folder I'm sharing you. Okay. Yes, for your batch. Okay, I'm creating separate folder. In that folder, I'll place all the softwares. Yes. 1 second. I'm using WinSCP to take into Windows OS. Start WinSCP. Yes, yes. First, let me take this IP address. Okay, close. Operation is done. The tar file created. Yes. IF config. Taking IP address. So this IP address 192.168.0.6. So this is IP address. Taking this IP address. Okay. It's not started still. In a city. Double click and start. Just a minute. Sometimes